Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are viewing my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today I am going to discuss another problem on hire purchase. This is lecture number 7 and I have given the link which is there in the playlist section on hire purchase in the description box. So all the students are requested to go through the earlier videos on hire purchase that I have uploaded in the playlist section. Jana Brothers sell goods on hire purchase at cost plus 50%. From the following information, you are required to ascertain the profit made for the year ended 30th September 2022. Stock on hire with customer at selling price as on 30th September 2021, rupees 27,000. Stock at shop at cost as on 30th September 2021, 54,000. Installments due as on 30th September 2021, 15,000. Cash received from customers, rupees 1,80,000. Goods repossessed, installments due rupees 6,000, valued at 1,500. Installments due from paying customers, rupees 27,000. Closing stock at shop, including repossessed goods, rupees 61,500, and purchase made in the year, rupees 1,80,000. The method that we are going to adopt here to determine the hire purchase profit is the stock data method. So under this method, we have to prepare 6 ledgers. So the 6 ledgers are: number 1, HP stock account; 2, HP debtors account; 3, shop stock account; 4, goods sold on hire purchase account; 5, HP adjustment account; and 6, goods repossessed account. Method of selling the goods on hire purchase is the cost price plus profit is the hire purchase price. Now if the cost price is 100, the profit will be charged 50% of cost. So profit is taken at rupees 50 and the hire purchase price will be 150. So the first item given in the question is stock on hire purchase with customers at selling price. So this is the HP stock account. Means the installment which is not yet due as on 30th September 2021 or the 1st October 21. So to balance BD is rupees 27,000. So this is the HP stock account, 27,000, and the profit on this HP stock to be recorded in HP adjustment. So without wasting any further time, I have to record what is the profit on this HP stock. So in HP stock adjustment account, I have to record on 1st October 21 by balance BD. So 27,000 is the selling price, 50 is the profit, and this selling price is represented by 150. So your profit in this 27,000 is rupees 9,000. I have given you the calculation how to compute the profit in HP stock. Next is the stock at shop at cost as on 30th September 2021. So shop stock account. So this balance is to be recorded in the shop stock account. So on 1st October 21, to balance BD is 54,000. Next is installment due as on 30th September 2021, rupees 15,000. Means this is the installment which was due from the customer, but customers have not yet paid. So this balance is basically the HP debtor account to be recorded. So on 1st October 21, I am recording a to balance BD 15,000. Next, cash received from customer rupees 1,80,000. So cash account debit to HP debtor. So by the end of the year, that is 30th September 22, buy cash 1,80,000. This is the amount of cash given by the customers. Then goods repossessed, installment due rupees 6,000 valued at 1,500. So this is the installment which was due from customer, and the goods were taken away, repossessed by the seller. So in HP debtor account, you have to record as on 30th September 22 by goods repossessed account. $6,000. And in goods repossessed account, you have to record on 30th September 22 to HP debtors account. 6,000. So this is the installment which was not paid by the customer, so the goods was repossessed. And this goods was valued at rupees 1,500. So in goods repossessed account, you have to record on 30th September 22 by shop stock account. So once the good was repossessed from the customer, it will be kept in the shop. So this is valued at 1,500. And the difference, that is the balancing figure, will be charged to HP adjustment account, and that means this is the loss on repossession. So in goods repossession account, first of all, the 1,500 which was valued about the repossessed goods to be recorded in shop stock account. So in goods repossessed account, I have written by shop stock account 1,500, and in shop stock account you have to record on 30th September 22 to goods repossessed account 1,500. And the balancing figure in goods repossessed account represents the loss on repossession. So I have to record it here in HP adjustment. So in goods repossessed account, I have to write by HP adjustment account. This is the loss on repossession, which is 4,500. So both side total we are having 6,000. In HP adjustment account, you have to record on 30th September 22 to goods repossessed account 4,500. Next balance is installment due from paying customer. So this is the balance of HP debtor account. So on 30th September 22, I am writing here by balance CD 27,000. So this is the installment which has not yet been given by the customer, which the debtors were supposed to pay. So I have to record in HP debtor account by balance CD 27,000. Next balance is closing stock at shop. So in shop stock account, I have to record on 30th September 22 by balance CD 61,500. So this 61,500 include the goods repossessed of 1,500. So actually, before repossession of the goods, the value of the stock which was there in the shop was 60,000. So 60,000 is the original cost of the stock which was there in the shop, and there was an addition of 1,500 for the valuation of the goods which was repossessed from the customers. And the last figure given is the purchase made in the year. So this is to be recorded in the shop stock account. So 60,000 is the original cost of the stock which was there in the shop, and there was an addition of 1,500 for the valuation of the goods which was repossessed from the customers. And the last figure given is the purchase made in the year. So this is to be recorded in the shop stock account. So on 30th September 22, you have to record here to purchase account 1,80,000. So I am presenting in one screen all the figures that I have recorded. So please have a look at it in the 6 ledgers that I have prepared, so that you can understand what are the items to be recorded in each of these ledgers. Now let us see, there are yet 5 ledgers that I have to close right now, and let us see what are the figures we will get from each of these 5 ledgers. So you can see, first of all, let us close the shop stock account. So in shop stock account, I have recorded the opening stock, then purchase, the closing stock, and the value of goods repossessed. The balancing figure represents the goods sold on HP. That is the cost of goods sold on HP. So I have to record here on 30th September 22 by goods sold on HP. Goods sold on HP. And this is the cost value. And what is the balancing figure? 1,74,000. So please remember that in shop stock account, these are the figures which are to be recorded. And if any of this figure is missing, it represents that particular figure. Since the cost of goods sold on hire purchase not given in the account, the balancing figure of the shop stock account represents the goods sold on hire purchase that we have computed here at rupees 1,74,000. So this figure will be posted in the goods sold on hire purchase. So I have to record on 30th September 22 to shop stock account 1,74,000. So total of the shop stock account is 2,35,500. Next figure or the ledger we are going to close is goods sold on hire purchase. It is given in the question that the cost plus profit is equal to hire purchase, that is 100 plus 50 is 150. So the cost of goods which was sold on hire purchase is 1,74,000. So what is the profit made on this particular figure? That is 50%. So to HP adjustment account. So the profit made on the cost of goods sold is 50%. So 50% of 1,74,000 is 87,000. So this will be recorded in HP adjustment account. So by goods sold on hire purchase 87,000. And the balancing figure here is represents, that is the HP, that is HP stock account, that is by HP stock account. This was the goods which was sold on hire purchase at selling price, that is 2,61,000. So 2,61,000 is the goods sold on hire purchase at selling price. So this will be recorded in HP stock on 30th September 22 to goods sold on hire purchase account 2,61,000. Next ledger we are going to close is HP debtor account. So in HP debtor we have the opening balance of debtor, the closing balance of debtor, and the cash received from customer. So the balancing figure represents the amount of installment which is due in the current year. So the balancing figure of HP debtor account represents the amount of installment which was due in the current year. So HP debtor account debit to HP stock account. And the balancing figure here is 1,98,000. So 1,98,000 was supposed to be received from the customer this year, but the customers have paid only 1,80,000. So this 1,98,000 will be recorded in HP stock account. So by HP debtors account 1,98,000. So total of HP debtors on both sides is 2,13,000. So you can see that HP debtor account, the opening balance of debtor, here the closing balance of debtor, the cash receipt from customer, and the balancing figure represents the amount of installment which is due from customer this year. And this will be recorded in HP stock account. Now it's time to close the HP stock account, that is the closing balance. This represents the amount of installment which is not yet due in the current year from the customers. So by balance CD, this is rupees 90,000 and sum total is 2,88,000. So HP stock account represents the opening balance, represents the installment which is not yet due in the last year. Then the debit balance of 2,61,000 represents the selling price of the goods sold on hire purchase. The credit balance 1,98,000 represents, this is the amount of installment which was due in the current year, and the closing balance represents the amount of installment which is not yet due on the last day of the year. And the profit on the closing balance will be recorded in HP's adjustment account on 30th September 22 to balance CD. So 90,000 into 50 by 150 represents 30,000. Now the balancing figure in HP adjustment represents the profit that is on hire purchase, that is 2PL account. So you have a total of 96,000 on the credit side, and the balancing figure in HP adjustment account represents the profit which is 61,500. So now I am presenting the 6 ledgers in one screen, and you please try to establish the relation between one ledger with the other. Next, I am going to show how the same transactions will be recorded in hire purchase trading account. Now, in HP trading account method, I have to prepare the 3 ledgers: HP trading account, HP debtor account, and HP sales account. Now let us see how the transactions that we have recorded in stock debtor method, how those transactions will be recorded in hire purchase trading account. So the first figure is the stock on hire purchase with customer at selling price. So this will be recorded in HP debtor account. So on 1st October 21 to balance BD. So in HP debtor, the opening balance represents the installment due and installment not yet due. Not yet due. So this is 27,000, that is installment not yet due. This will be recorded again in HP sales. So on 1st October 21 by balance BD 27,000, and in HP trading account we have to record the cost price of this value. So on 1st October 21 to opening stock, HP stock at cost. So 27,000 into 100 by 150, that is 18,000. Next item is stock at shop at cost 54,000. So this will be recorded here, stock at shop. So in HP trading account, the opening stock represents the HP stock at cost and the stock at SOP. This is 54,000. Next is installment due as on 30th September 21, 15,000. So this is the amount of installment which is due. So it will be recorded in HP debtor account in the opening balance. Next is the cash receipt from customer. So on 30th September 22, I have to record in HP debtor as by cash account 1,80,000. Then goods repossessed, installment due 6,000 and valued at 1,500. So in HP debtors, you have to record by HP sales rupees 6,000. And in HP sales, we have to transfer this balance as to HP debtors 6 account 6,000. This is the installment which was repossessed by the seller. So in HP debtor I have recorded by HP sales 6,000 and in HP sales I have recorded to HP debtors rupees 6,000. Next, closing stock or installment due from paying customer. So this will be recorded in HP debtors. So by balance CD, again installment due rupees 27,000 and installment not due, we will find it out. Now, what are the figures which are missing from these ledgers? So opening stock at SOP was rupees 54,000 at purchase rupees 1,80,000. So 2,34,000 and the closing balance or closing stock at SOP is given as 61,500. So on 30th September 22, I have to record here as by balance CD, HP stock at cost and stock at shop. This is 61,500. So before repossession, what is the value of closing stock? This is 60,000. So 1,74,000 is the cost of goods sold on HP. Cost of goods sold on HP. So you have to add up the profit and profit 50%. This is 87,000. So goods sold on HP is rupees 2,61,000. So in HP sales, you have to record this 2,61,000 on the credit side. So on 30th September 22, I have to record here as by HP debtors. We have to calculate this figure 2,61,000. This is the goods sold on hire purchase 2,61,000. So in HP sales, I have recorded this value and in HP debtor also I have to record this figure. So on 30th September 22 to HP sales account 2,61,000. Now the balancing figure in HP debtor represents the installment not yet due. So 3,03,000 is the sum of the total of the debit side and the balancing figure is 90,000. So HP stock is 90,000 that we have calculated from HP debtor account. So this is the balancing figure which we have found out. Now this 90,000 will be recorded in HP sales. So as to balance CD 90,000. And what is the cost price of this rupees 90,000? This is 60,000. So HP stock at cost. HP stock at cost is equal to 90,000 into 100 by 150. This is rupees 60,000. So I have recorded in HP trading account as HP stock at SOP rupees 60,000. Rupees 1,92,000. This represents the installment which is due in the current year, and this amount to be transferred to HP trading account. So you have to record here to HP trading account 1,92,000. 2,88,000 is the sum of the debit and credit side. So this is the balancing figure that will be transferred to HP trading on 30th September 22. I have to record here by HP sales account. And in the question it is given the purchase made during the year is rupees 1,80,000. That will be recorded in HP trading account. So on 30th September 22, to purchase account 1,80,000. So the balancing figure in HP trading account represents the profit made on hire purchase. So to PL account 61,500. So here I have presented the ledgers in one screen, the HP trading account, HP sales account and HP debtor account. The methods of recording the transactions is different from the stock debtor method, and I have also shown you the relation between HP trading account, the HP debtor and the HP sales account. Hope you have recorded the problem and the solution the way I have done it for you. If you find any difficulty, please contact me through email that I have given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.